Like the stars in the sky, you know you look beautiful. Words cannot describe how amazing you are. So I have a question for you. Do you know you're amazing? Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without a drying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know when I compliment her she won't believe me. And it's so sad to see that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, woo! When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'll let me. A smile, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day, yeah. Oh, you know I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you